Yeah, my people, welcome to our next video. I'm in the kitchen gonna cook some white rice with some sweet and sour chicken. You see me? Catch you soon. Remember, do the right thing. Like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you get some more updates. Here my people have some pepper, garlic, thyme and scallion. White rice with coconut milk, hot pepper, scallion and thyme, onion, garlic. First time using this coconut milk. Don't want the rice too white, so I'm going to put a little brown in it to change the color a little bit. So when I put a little bit of brown in the white rice, it will change the color a little bit so it don't look that extra white. Because it's Sunday, so you just want to change the looks, not because it's Sunday, but to change the looks of the rice color, you know, a little bit, from just being white, extra white. In this flour I put a little bit of chicken season, Maggi chicken season, little paprika, and gonna mix up it so we can use this. So this is chicken, my friend, chicken. I want to get the same color when I mix it in the flour. The reason why I use the flour with the season, you know, sometimes flour it after a while, it is fresh on the outside because of the flour is fresh, but you put a little seasoning to get a taste. It's coming down slowly. Yeah, man. Remember I tell you about the black pot? Every Jamaican have a black pot in their kitchen, or two, one or two, because we used to outside kitchen. Representing Jamaica. This is what I'm gonna use to fry the chicken now. Black pot, yeah man. Black pot. Yeah man, that's how I think set. Rice coming to come. So the rice is not looking so white, extra white. Yeah man. Because you see, you have to make it catch a nice color. So see me. So we call this browning rice. Yeah man, the browning rice. Pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and a little tip of sugar with the coconut milk inside this rice. Yeah man. Make the water go and burn out first. Then I throw in the hell. I'm gonna throw in some. I'm throw in a piece of garlic and a piece of pepper. Seasoned to the bone. Yeah man. Garlic, pepper. Well, the pepper though, it give it a good flavor, and the garlic when it's frying with the oil. You see me? Yeah man. Let's learn to do this. I boil the chicken with the knife so that the oil can go up easily in it. Now, the garlic is getting brown. Yeah man. On the other side over here. Yeah, it goes pretty coming on, pretty. Yeah, man. Rice is coming on too. So if you don't have no peas, I have peas but I did just cut a short on today. So I just want the color of the rice to change. You don't know it go. But the chicken is coming on beautiful, watch out. Let me have some more like butter. Yeah, man. This. First set. Second set. Rice, white rice with scallion, thyme, onion, pepper, garlic, coconut milk, and little sugar. Sweet and sour chicken and come up in there, you know? Gravy, same vegetable, white white rice. I know you're wondering what I put in there. I put cucumber and onion. Gravy look thick and nice, just the way we want it, Jamaican style, with all the spice. You name it, chicken nice. Yes, my friend, dinner is ready. Sweet and sour chicken with vegetable cabbage, pak chow, and carrot, and white rice. Only difference with this rice now, because I use a little tip of browning in it with the coconut milk and the hot scotch bonnet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme. And we go. Nice and easy Jamaican style. So if you don't have any peas, or if you have the peas and you don't want to cook it, time is running out, just do a shorten thing. Keep a little brown in the pot, little butter, little scallion, little thyme, onion and pepper, and you cook your rice. Nice and easy, so it don't look so white anymore. And don't forget the pear, Jamaican style. Oh God. And if you watch come to this far, remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe yet, run over and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Yeah, my people, thank you for watching Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel. And the food was good. Sorry I could not wait to see, because my shirt was wet, so I was wet up. My shirt was wet up, so I just said I'm gonna cut out that part. But thank you for watching if you watched come to this far. See you soon on the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates on my Sunday dinner and everything that I have done to let you see what's going on in Jamaica. Peace out.